Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I wanted to give a little Zippo update slash video. So this is one of the Zippos I kept I didn't talk about. This one was for my best understanding, the very first Ziplight model. So the Ziplight was an insert for your Zippo that was a flashlight. So if you didn't smoke, but you like the idea of carrying Zippos, you could buy this insert. It was basically just a flashlight. It has a little 5mm LED in there. It was powered by two 4A batteries, so AAAA. They're very skinny little batteries. And it was a very simple thing to use. Now, I've had this for years and years, and those batteries were dead. I replaced them at some point with new ones, and those died. At least I thought they died. So today, I open this up, and it works out of nowhere. The strangest thing. Now, this is not going to blow you away. Compared to today's standards for flashlights in 2025, this is not bright. Let me say that. But in the dark, the cheapest flashlight will always be better than nothing. So this still does work. How cool is that? There must be like slightly loose wiring on the inside, or the contacts are barely touching, because this did not work. I swear to God, this did not work years ago. And see, even now, even talking, it's kind of flashing in and out. If I pinch it, it shuts off, which it's not supposed to do. It's just the contacts weren't touching, so it got jostled just enough where I opened it, expecting this to be dead, and it wasn't. All right, so let me pull this out of its case. All right, so you can see. I think I did a video on it. Again, I put tape on here to keep it shut, but I did replace its batteries at some point. Now, this has this metal contact, so when the insert is out, it's not going to stay on. It has to be touching the metal to complete the circuit. Here's a closer shot of this. When you shut the lid for it, it actually pushes this in, which it pushes the contacts away, so it shuts off. So it's not killing the battery power. So when it opens, it connects, it's on. When you close it, it shuts off, right? But just so strange that it was so finicky. I really thought it was dead, and it's not. It's fantastic. It's awesome. I think that Zippo is really, really missing out if they do not make a new version of the Ziplight. I think that people would absolutely love this. There's so many people that love the idea of a Zippo, but they just don't smoke, they don't light anything, they don't need a lighter in their life, you know? But everyone loves a good flashlight. So yeah, this was the Ziplight. But the case here, like I said, the original case had a the Energizer Bunny, really, it's not Bugs Bunny. This is the Energizer Bunny, essentially, with, you know, like a big spotlight, a searchlight. Super, super cool. You can barely make out the markings on the bottom. But yeah, one of my prized pieces in my collection. Oh, sorry, the original Ziplight. Super cool. But I just want to share with you guys, in case you never saw that before. I know I made videos on it before, but I don't know if I made videos on the actual case as well. So just super, super cool little piece of Zippo history. That's it. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.